From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Given that log 16 base 4 equals log 36 base y, find the value of y. Okay, we'll just apply the laws of logarithm and the laws of indices here to solve this problem. We see that this is log 16 base 4. We can put 16 in base of 4 so that we'll have log to the same base. And how we do that? This is log 4 square base 4 equals log 36 to base y. This is from laws of logarithm. The power can multiply the logarithm. And so we'll have 2 log 4 to base 4 equals log 36 to base y. And also from logarithm, the log of a number to its same base is 1. So the whole of this is 2 log 36 to base y. Now, at this point, we use the relationship between logarithm and indices. For us to move from logarithm to indices, this will simply be y to power 2 equals 36. So y to power 2 must equal 36. And to find what y is, take square root of both sides. Square root, so that y is 6, which is c.